Wind energy is hailed as the clean future of our planet, but it leaves behind an immortal legacy that challenges our current environmental goals and sustainability. These fiberglass blades are engineered to withstand the most violent storms for 25 years, yet they become a haunting environmental nightmare once their service life finally ends. In remote landfills across the globe, thousands of these colossal structures are piled high, waiting for a decomposition process that will quite literally never happen on its own. With more than 40,000 blades decommissioned every single year, the scale of this industrial waste problem is rapidly reaching a critical and dangerous tipping point for us. This is the paradox of green energy, a clean source of power that generates a permanent, non-biodegradable waste stream that we are currently just burying in the ground. We are witnessing the birth of a new type of monument, the wind turbine graveyard, where the symbols of progress turn into silent relics of industrial waste. Why is it so difficult to recycle these giants? The answer lies in their incredible durability, designed to be nearly indestructible against the most extreme weather conditions. The blades are a complex fusion of fiberglass, polymer resins, and balsa wood, materials bonded so tightly that separating them is a technical and economic Herculean task. Transporting these massive structures to recycling centers is a logistical nightmare, requiring specialized heavy equipment and massive amounts of fuel just to move one single unit. Unlike common plastics, the thermoset resins used in these blades cannot be melted down and reshaped. Once they are cured, their chemical structure is permanently locked into place. Incineration is not a viable solution, as burning these composites releases hazardous gases and leaves behind a useless ash that still requires specialized and very expensive disposal. These are the ghosts of the renewable energy industry, enduring long after their service ends, reminding us that every green solution must have a circular life cycle. The solution begins with a radical change in mindset. Do not try to destroy the material, but transform it into a valuable raw resource for infrastructure. In high-tech recycling facilities, these giants are cut down into manageable pieces and fed into massive, dual-shaft grinding systems that possess incredible crushing power and force. Powerful steel teeth rip through the hardened composite material, X-raying the strength of the fiberglass and reducing the once sturdy blades into thousands of small, jagged fragments. Through a sophisticated multi-stage crushing process, the toughest parts of the turbine are shredded into reinforced fibers, which are the gold of the modern construction industry. The shredded material is meticulously sorted to remove any contaminants, ensuring that only the highest quality reinforced fibers move forward to the next stage of production. What remains is a unique aggregate material, characterized by high tensile strength and durability, perfectly suited to replace natural stone and sand in high-performance concrete. This transformed waste is no longer a burden. It is now a precious commodity, ready to be integrated into the foundations of our future cities and roads. By repurposing these fibers, we are closing the loop of the wind energy life cycle, turning an environmental liability into a sustainable and incredibly strong asset. By replacing traditional natural aggregates with these recycled composite fibers, we are creating a revolutionary material known as ultra-high-performance concrete, or UHPC for short. The secret lies in the fiber reinforcement. This new concrete is not just strong, it is 5 times more durable than the standard concrete used in buildings. While traditional concrete can withstand moderate pressure, this wind blade reinforced version can support over 150 megapascals, making it nearly invincible to stress. The internal network of fiberglass strands acts like a skeleton, holding the concrete together and preventing the formation of micro-cracks that usually lead to structural failure. This material allows engineers to design thinner, more elegant structures that use significantly less volume while providing even greater strength and safety than traditional designs. Beyond its physical strength, this process reduces carbon emissions by 40%, as it requires less cement and diverts massive amounts of waste from our landfills. The result is a material that feels like stone but performs like steel, providing a new palette of possibilities for architects and engineers across the entire world. We are literally building our future, using the remnants of our past energy solutions, creating a resilient infrastructure that is designed to last for many generations. The blades that once spun high in the sky are now found beneath our feet, forming the backbone of massive bridges that span across our greatest rivers. These bridges are not just functional. They are built for the century, with an expected lifespan of over 100 years without needing any major repairs. The composite fibers make the concrete completely immune to the corrosive effects of salt and ocean spray, making it the ideal choice for coastal infrastructure. Every car that passes over these bridges is supported by the very same technology that once captured the wind, representing a perfect cycle of human ingenuity. This is the true definition of a circular economy, where the end of one technology provides the literal foundation for the next stage of human progress. Waste is nothing more than a resource that has been placed in the wrong location. When technology meets consciousness, even the immortal giants can be reborn. We are building a world where progress does not come at the cost of the earth, but rather works in harmony with the natural environment.
Thermal readings
As
are
we
well
continue
within
to innovate,
tolerance.
the challenges of today become the building blocks of a cleaner, stronger, and more sustainable tomorrow for all of us. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transformation. Together, we can redefine what is possible and protect the only planet we call home. Stay tuned with the Factoran as we explore more breakthroughs that are shaping the future of our world and our shared human experience. Until next time,